All right, welcome back. So on this one, I have my quadratic or my graph set up, and I'm going to graph the equation y is equal to negative x squared minus 8x minus 17. So again, I'm going to find my vertex, and I'm going to find my axis of symmetry. That's going to be x equals the number in our vertex, and I'm going to find my domain, and I'm going to find my range. And if I look at this up above, my a value is negative 1. So I means I have a sad parabola. So this is going to be a maximum value, a highest value. So whatever my vertex be, it's going to be my highest point. So that my range is going to be y less than or equal to. My domain is still going to be all real numbers. All real numbers. Okay? All right, so let's go ahead and I'm going to graph my point. So I'm going to go to my calculator, clear this, and I'm going to put in negative x squared and minus 8x and then minus 17. And I'm going to graph it. Now, in case of mine, I know that my axis of symmetry is going to be here at negative 4 because that point right there is my highest point, and the x value there is negative 4, but you won't really be able to see that very quickly on your calculator. So I'm going to go look at my table set so that you get used to seeing that, okay? I'm really high. Hold on a second. Table. I want to start at 0. Okay. So I know that I'm going to be in a negative region. And again, I'm looking for those matching pairs. I have negative 2, negative 2. Negative 1, there's no negative 1. So that lets me know that my vertex is at negative 4, negative 2. Okay? My axis of symmetry is the x, that's xy. My axis of symmetry is x is equal to negative 4. That means my range is going to be y less than negative 2. So again, I'm going to come down here, I'm going to graph my vertex. So 1, 3, 4, 1, 2. Now, because I know it's going to go down, okay, if I were to graph my table, let's go ahead and do a table. Because we really want to do the first 2 points. We know where vertex is there. If I talk about my vertex being at negative 4, negative 2, I have another point on the other side. This point is going to be negative 3, negative 2, negative 3, negative 2. I want to graph one more. Then I have negative 2, negative 5. Oops, hold on. Yes. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Did I graph something wrong? Oh, shoot. Hold on. No, negative 2, negative 4, negative 1. Oh, I did graph that wrong. That should be negative 1. My vertex is there at negative 4, negative 1. Then, there we go. Then the next point is at negative 3, negative 2. Okay, so I got that point right. I just put my vertex at the wrong place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. There we go. Now we're right. Now we're in business. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. All right. Then we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now my vertex is here. I know my axis of symmetry, which is a vertical line, is there at negative 4. Okay. This is x is equal to negative 4. Okay. These lines are going to go off in this direction. Now really, I don't even need to really plot or write my points in this other direction, but I still can. I know that the y value here is going to be negative 2. I know that the y value here is going to be negative 5 because, again, those are those symmetric pairs. So if I go on the other side and go down 1, right 1, remember, that's the same distance. On this side, this is 2 units away, so again, that's the same distance. So my parabola is going to look like that. Let's go ahead and do the x values, negative 5 and negative 6. Negative 5, negative 6. All right? I will see you in the next video. We have gotten all of the key, these are all of the key factors or the key parts of a quadratic in standard.